A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a dramatic escalation of U.S. foreign policy, President Donald Trump has announced a total and complete blockade of all sanctioned oil tankers going into and out of Venezuela, a move that has sent shockwaves through the global oil market. This announcement came early Wednesday morning, as West Texas Intermediate crude futures jumped by 1.25% to trade at $55.96, reflecting heightened market risk premiums amid fears that Venezuelan oil supply could be severely impacted. The blockade aims to target vessels associated with the Venezuelan government, which Trump has labeled a foreign terrorist organization. This designation is part of a broader narrative that accuses the Maduro regime of engaging in drug smuggling, human trafficking, and other illicit activities. In his statement, Trump described the blockade as a necessary action to reclaim what he claims are U.S. assets stolen by the Venezuelan government, including oil, land, and other resources. He further boasted about the largest armada ever assembled in the history of South America, indicating that U.S. naval presence in the region will continue to grow until Venezuela complies with his demands. The Venezuelan government has yet to officially respond to this latest U.S. escalation, but President Nicolas Maduro previously dismissed similar actions as attempts to colonize Venezuela's oil wealth. The blockade presents a significant risk to Venezuela's oil exports, which have already been dwindling to about 850,000 barrels per day, primarily destined for China. While Chevron's operations sending crude to the U.S. are expected to remain unaffected for now, the broader implications of this blockade could lead to a substantial reduction in Venezuelan oil supply. Just last week, U.S. forces seized a sanctioned oil tanker off the coast of Venezuela, marking a continuation of the pressure campaign aimed at crippling the oil-dependent economy of the South American nation. The oil market had been trading at multi-year lows prior to Trump's announcement, pressured by weak economic data from China and signs of potential progress in Russia-Ukraine peace talks. Analysts suggest that without further action to support Trump's rhetoric, a significant rally in oil prices is unlikely. This blockade announcement comes amid a backdrop of declining U.S. crude oil inventories, which fell by 9.3 million barrels for the week ending December 12, according to the American Petroleum Institute. The market's response to the blockade reflects a complex interplay of geopolitical tensions and economic realities. While the immediate impact of the blockade may drive prices higher, the long-term outlook remains uncertain as global supply dynamics continue to evolve. As the situation unfolds, the world watches closely to see how this bold move by the Trump administration will reshape the landscape of international oil trade and U.S.-Venezuela relations. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.